I'm Anne Ogden-Gaffney and welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. Today I'm making a rather delicious pizza. It's the season for figs and I'm going to be making a fig and goat cheese pizza. So I'm just going to chop up some shallots to start with, probably just need one, because this is going to be a mixture of dried figs, which I have here, these are mission figs and they've just been quartered and soaked in hot water so that they're all plumped up now and juicy, and fresh figs here, which we're going to be using afterwards to decorate. And I just want to open this up just to show you how gorgeous. Always love figs, they're so beautiful. So these we're going to be scattering, we're going to be making a jam with the dried figs, and then we're going to be scattering the fresh figs and the goat cheese on the top. So let's start with the jam. I'm going to do this in a small frying pan just because it will go quicker. So it's putting some olive oil in here, and I'm just going to heat that up. So I'm just going to put in the shallot. I'm going to put in all of the figs with the water that they're soaked in, and I'm just going to cook them down till the figs are very soft, which won't take very long. I'm going to turn the heat down to a simmer, and then I'm just going to leave it to cook down, which it'll do quite quickly. This handy lid just over the top, just to partially, so it doesn't go down too quickly. Okay, let's go and get everything else ready. Okay, so I'm just going to slice the fresh figs right now. Fresh figs are really wonderful. They come at the end of the summer and they're just they're good for you too. They have iron in them, a lot of fibre. Right, so that's those bits ready there. Now we have some red onion and some chopped pistachio, and I've also got here a little quarter log of goat cheese. Let's see if I can get, yeah, here we go. And we'll be spooning that on there. Goat cheese is great because with all this kind of sweet and onioniness, it's really kind of deliciously tart. And last but not least, we're going to put on some chopped raw pistachios. Now these are fab. They are these aren't salted. These aren't the salted pistachios. These are just literally, they've been peeled. It's basically pistachio nut meat. So, okay, so now this is how the figs have come out. You can see it's all very thick and kind of soft and squidgy. So we got more than we need here. So I'm just going to spread this out on here. So that's that. Now I'm going to put on a little bit of, this is red onion. I'm going to put on some of this. Pistachios on. Soft goat cheese. Okay, so that's how it's going to look. Now we're just going to put it in the oven under the broiler, but not close up, down at the lowest level, and then we will be able to see how that comes out.